Dahil ako po ay naniniwala na wala pa namang kahit anong findings, no, o final judgment regarding the confidential funds. Iniintay nga natin eh. All I know is that the track record of the Vice President, especially regarding credit notices from COA and all that, have been sparkling clean. And this is the only remaining thing that has been pending. At we welcome the final decision sana on this budget confidential fund issue. No, so tapos with regard to the other things na dapat pagsurihan niya, well, I think that's the job of the spokesperson really naman to bring up something to counter this press release. And matalino po sila dyan, magaling po sila sa PR, and I commend them for creating such a statement. But will it make a difference? That's the question. And as from where I sit, it doesn't make a difference from the people who have really decided to support her. The support is galvanized, no? And these statements will just continue to create the bigger rift between the two factions. Pero wala na pong change yan, palagi ko na magagawa sa mga utak ng mga tao.